In the landscape of corporate compliance, Johnson & Johnson's healthcare compliance team recognized a common hurdle: the complexity of presenting compliance information. Their traditional e-learning programs often left employees overwhelmed when searching for critical policy points. To address this, the team pivoted to a new workflow utilizing simpleshow explainer videos. These quick chat videos distilled complex policies into bite-sized, adjustable formats, using everyday language to highlight essential information. The videos were easily created using the simpleshow Video Maker platform, allowing them to tailor content specifically to compliance topics and to use company branding. The video's integration into the compliance framework marked a transformation in how information was communicated, with simplicity at its core. This was further enhanced by an AI-powered translation feature, streamlining the process for global teams and ensuring effective communication without the burdensome process traditionally associated with video creation. To maximize the effectiveness of this workflow, 2 key tips were advised. First, always focus on the core policy points to avoid information overload. And second, utilize the simplicity of the simpleshow Video Maker platform to tailor content to your specific audience, ensuring relevance and engagement. Do you want to streamline the way your organization receives complex information? Let's talk about how simpleshow can help you do that.